Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff's collection. It's right here. This is a realistic, in other words, Radio Shack, AM/FM pocket radio. And this is what he calls the Blueberry version. Now, let me just give you a little history here. I went through my Radio Shack catalogs, and I found a 1988 catalog, and there it is right there. It comes in blueberry or raspberry, sold for $12, and this particular catalog was 1988. So let's take a look at it. Get out of the box here. Box is a little tattered, but you'd be tattered too if you were that old. There we go. I got it out without tearing up the box anymore. Okay. It's got a carrying strap. Unfortunately, it's plastic, but it's in good shape. Actually, the radio's in perfect shape. Let me kind of show you up close here. Uses a 9-volt battery. Here is the band select and the earbud jack. Here's some information about the radio right there. Power supply, 9 volts DC. Model number 12-721. Tuning knob. And on-off volume. Telescopic antenna, which is very short. It's just barely over 12 inches. Okay, so much for looking at it. Let's turn it on and play it. See what we got here. Okay, let's see. We are probably on, let me have to look at it myself. AM, yep, I heard that interference, so I figured it must be AM. So we're on AM. Put it back here on my little stand. Let you listen to it.
Focusing on a continuous movement that's the same. So that's the stress and anxiety piece of it. So you take it out of your pocket or your bag, your backpack, and you're focused on doing the same continuous movement over and over again. So
let's see where I'm gonna check where it's at on the band. Okay, it's in the middle of the band, so I'm gonna turn it down. Oops, I turned it the wrong way, naturally. Okay, we're at the bottom of the band, 540 kilohertz. Let's see what we can find. That was a weak station. There we go. Getting some kind of interference. Not surprising in my office.
He was a half brother. Oh no, hold on.
Let me get that one tuned in.
None of us intentional. None of us.
There we go.
None of us have.
It's all fragmented now, but I had a normal family.
Yeah. Now Blake broke up, and mine's the most normal, and it's not normal at all. No, you're not. My brother. We failed it.
Not doing too good on AM in my office. My office kind of worst case. Yeah, it likes this direction. Okay, that's the AM band. And let's go to FM. Watch out for music.
This is an ad for ZipRecruiter.
There we go.
82% of you will note that if you're hiring,
Not
ZipRecruiter
bad
finds qualified
sound.
people for your job. In fact, 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter
Yeah.
get a quality candidate
Pretty
within
good
the
sound.
first day. And 82% of you will remember that you can try Zip.
Music. Music.
I'm okay with people winning the lottery. You're not angry at this story. I don't have disdain for the humans who win. I'm just upset that I'm not one of those humans. Whip this Friday morning, and if you're one of the
Another
lucky
station.
winners- So they have a variety.
Another station. Another station. Another station.
Most people at this point, I'm not gonna say yes or no.
Another station.
Yes.
Noise. Another station. Another station.
We have bridges.
Another one.
Traffic is moving well, and
Another one.
really in your home.
And I might be missing some. I'm going kind of
With our
fast.
highly trained sleep experts and our low price guarantee, you can rest assured.
Well, it's locking on pretty good. Another station. There we go. We're through the band. Let me see Jeff's notes. He always gives me a note for each radio he brings. He says, these were built from 1974 to 1990. And my catalog is 1998. I did look in a 1994 catalog and there was none in there. See what else it says in the catalog. See if we can get this. There we go. Has a 4-inch speaker, a slide rule tuning, and rotary tone control. Rotary tone control. I don't know it had a tone control. Fold down. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Gee whiz, Tom, you're such a dummy. Okay, here we go. Flavor radios. Okay, nothing else really new that I haven't already told you. All right. That's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. And if you enjoyed those, oh boy, that's out of focus. Boy, I struggle with using my cell phone for a camera and in autofocus mode. I mean, when it works, I can move the radio up close, and then within a few seconds, oh, it's going to make a liar out of me. In a few seconds, it autofocuses. So you see the detail. See, there's the little window there. But it also sometimes won't focus, and sometimes it's focusing back and forth, and I apologize for that, for it doing that. So if I put it on fixed focus, then when I move it close to the camera to show you details, it's not going to focus. So that's the trade-off. Otherwise, it does a pretty good job. Let me see if there's anything we can focus on that's important. We already did this. There's the battery compartment. Oops, let me put the antenna down. There's the antenna down. We wouldn't need if we were on. I can't get that up. There we go. So there's the battery compartment. Whoopee! All right, that's real exciting. So, see if I can put the thing back on. There we go. This thing is in pristine condition. He says, what did he say? He said paid $25, kind of a collector's item, 3 years ago off of eBay. And this one is pristine. Speaking of eBay, I just bought already off of eBay. It'll probably take a couple weeks to get. I don't know why it's taking that long. But Should be an interesting radio. I hope it's in good shape. You never know. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please take a few seconds and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, boy, that would be a great idea. Have a great day. Bye-bye.